Hello everyone, welcome to part 89 of Laravel 9 series, in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we will continue working on our product detail page, and in this video we are going to show dynamically side-wise prices via Ajax. Okay, so I'm going to explain you that these are the available sizes. See, every product is having some sizes, and this product is having three sizes: small, medium and large, and their prices vary according to the size. Like small is having the different price, medium is having some other price, and large is having some other price. Okay, you can see in edit panel as well. Like if we will open this product from the edit panel, we will open its attributes, and you can see here small is having the 1100 price, and medium is having the 1200, and the large is having the 1300 price. Okay, so we need to show the updated price here. Like once the user select the small size, here we need to update rupees 800 need to update to rupees 1100. Basically this 800 is wrong. We need to make it main price at the lowest price, like that is the 1100. So we are going to put it as 1100 here. Okay, so I'm going to make this change here right now. I'm going to put here 1100 price for this one. Okay, so I'm going to update it, and see, we are going to show the minimum price of the 1100 price, that is the minimum price of the small site. Okay, so if we will going to select the medium site, it must update to 1200, like it's mentioned here. Here you can now see the main price is 1100, that is the smallest site price, and if we will update to medium, it will be 1200, and if we update to large, it will be 1300. Okay, so let's start working on this one. First of all, we are going to modify this drop down, this select box of sizes. We are going to add here the ID and class. We need to give the ID and class, and on the basis of that ID, we are going to run the jQuery so that we can get the price, actual price of this product, the size wise price, the attribute price from the product attributes table. Okay, so for that we are going to open the detail blade file. Let's open the detail blade file, and here we are going to add it here, select size. Okay, so here it is, and here we are going to add it. We're going to add the name size, and ID as well. We're going to add the ID equal to getPrice, and we are going to add the product ID as well, and we are going to add here the ID of the product. Like this. Okay, so now this getPrice, we are going to open the custom.js file at the front. This is the file that we have made for the front for adding the jQuery. Okay, so we are going to add the jQuery for this one. Okay, first of all, we are going to add the ready function, document dot ready function. Okay, and we are going to test it as well, that it is working fine or not. So it is working fine, test is coming. Okay, so now see, we are going to see it will work with the getPrice ID. Okay, we have added the getPrice ID to this here this size field, size drop down field. Okay, so on the change event, we are going to run this one. Okay, so we are going to, on the basis of this ID, getPrice, and on change event this function will work. Okay, so two things we will get here. One is the size that we can simply get from the $this dot value, and the another one is the product ID that we can also get from $this dot attribute, and inside this attribute we are going to add that product ID. Product what it is product underscore ID, I think, or we are going to check product hyphen ID. Okay, so this one like this. So we can check both here once. Alert site first of all. Small, okay, it is coming fine. Medium, so it is fine. And now I'm going to alert its product ID as well. See the small 2 ID, okay. Medium is also 2 ID, okay. So the product ID is 2, so that is we are getting here large having 2 ID, okay. So it is fine. So we can remove this and we can pass these IDs via Ajax to the function, via route as well, okay. So here we are going to add our Ajax code. We are going to add Ajax here like this. So first thing is the URL. We are going to make this URL and that will be getProductPrice. It is same as advanced e-commerce series. If you have seen that series, you will find no issue. And data, two things we are going to send here. One is the size and another one is the product ID. Okay, sorry, with type post and success function. Here see, we are going to alert response here, and here we will give the error function. We are going to alert the error as well. Okay, so our jQuery function is ready. So we are going to create its route now. After the detail page, we are going to create its route after this one here. Okay, so here we are going to write like get product attribute price route post get product price. So we are going to create another function, that is the getProductPrice in our ProductsController at the front. This function we are going to make in ProductsController at last. Public function getProductPrice like this. Okay, so that we can get the product price and products that we are going to show the sidewise. We are going to have the sidewise product price. Okay, so here we will get this in Ajax. So here we are going to add request $request, and here we will get from the Ajax. So here it will come like $request Ajax. request all. Here first of all we are going to check here that whether the data here both are coming here correctly or not, both size as well as product ID. On the basis of these two, we are going to fetch the sidewise price from the products attributes table. So let's check it once. I'm going to inspect here, refresh it once. Okay, so here you can see small, it is having some issue. Okay, CSRF token mismatch. We need to add that we used to add these headers. Okay, for the CSRF token, this header we need to copy this one and we'll paste here after the Ajax call here. Okay, now it must be fine. Okay, so let's refresh, try once again. Now see, I'm going to try small. Here we are getting small and 2, it is reaching there in our function small 2. Okay, if we are going to select the medium, so it is reaching there medium size and 2 product ID, so it is fine. We are getting here in our function with the correct data, so we can get the sidewise price from these two. So for that we are going to make one more function in product model. Okay, so we are going to make one more function like we have made get discount price. One more function we are going to make it like get discount attribute price. That function, because the attribute price can be on discount as well. Okay, it may be after discount or it may be before discount. So reason is like for this product it is not having any discount. If we are going to select the medium, it must show 1200. Okay, for the 1200 to display, we are going to check here in product attributes. We are going to check with the size as well as the product ID. Like this product ID is 2 and the size is medium, we will pick this amount. But if in case product is having some discount like 10% discount, then it is not 1200, then it must be 1200 into 10%, that 10% discount. Okay, or if it is having the category discount, then again, so in that case we need to pass the two prices. One is the MRP, this price, and one is the final price that will come after the discount. So it is mandatory to get the right price, right price. So three things we are going to calculate here. One is the product price, MRP. Okay, product price, that is the actual product price, okay, before discount. And one is the discount price itself, whatever the discount we can say the discount. And the third one is the discounted price, means the final price after discount. Okay, so this one we are going to calculate. So we are going to make one new function here. I am going to create it straight away after this one. It is almost similar to this one with some changes. Okay, but we are going to write code from the scratch. Public static function get, we are going to mention get discount attribute price. Okay, attribute price. Here also we are going to pass the product ID along with the side this time. Okay, $side as well. Okay, so this one is we are getting from the main product table, but now we are going to get from the attributes table as well. Okay, so here I'm going to mention $pro attribute price. I'm going to mention shortcut like this one. Okay, so here go to get from the products attribute. Here product ID, product ID. Okay, size this size as well. First to array. See, we are using to array with first. See, there must be some value always. So products attribute must contain at least one size. So always make sure that you add the attributes prices as well, otherwise it will give error. Okay, so you need to give the sizes of the products. You can't it is not possible that you will not give even a single size. You must give like free size you can give, not applicable you can give, you must give one size at least. Okay, so now we are going to calculate that we need to get the product discount as well as the category discount. Okay, for getting the product discount we are going to fetch it from the products table. Okay, here I'm going to mention it like pro details. I think it's there also, pro details. Okay, fine it is, and care details. We can copy this code, we are already having this one, so no need to write again. See, from pro details we will get the product discount. Okay, and from care details we will get the category discount. Okay, so I think this query here it is, we will get it like this. Fine, from the pro details we will get the product discount, and from the care details we will get the category discount. Okay, main price will also come up from here. Okay, and this one will also help us. Okay, so we can copy this one as well and we'll make changes. See, first condition is if product discount is there, and second condition is if product discount is not there and category discount is there. So first priority we will give to the product discount, and the second one we will give to the category discount, and the third one is not going to show any discount, we will give it to 0, means discounted price is 0. Okay, so here we will check once. So we are going to make it as the final price. Okay, not the discounted price, we are going to make it as the final price. Okay, final price, and in this case see, final price will come from here. Okay, so we are going to mention it like this, it will come from there, and this we are going to replace it because we will not fetch it from the main table. We are going to fetch the main price of the product from the attributes table. Okay, so see, main price will come up here. Okay, and here the final price we are going to fetch from the main price minus that the percentage, like if there is a product discount, then we are going to calculate the percentage, like if the product discount is 10%, then we are going to calculate the how much discount, how much product discount is there for the product, like 10%. Then like if the price is we are going to see here like 1100. Okay, so here suppose the price is MRP is 1100. Then if we are going to give the 10% discount, then we are going to calculate as into 10 divided by 100. Okay, so this one we have done here, like 1100 is the MRP into 10%, like we have given the 10% discount, then 10 divided by 100. Okay, this one same thing. Okay, it will come, it will come the discount price. Okay, discount price will come, got it? So with this discount price we are going to fetch the final price after deducting it from the main price. Okay, so whatever the main price, like this one is 1100 is the main price. Okay, so like whatever discount will come, that discount we are going to minus from the 1100, and that will come the sale price of the product. I hope it is clear. Okay, so we will get this final price here. Okay, final price is the, we can say, the sale price after deducting the discount. So here the discount is see, mention here dollar discount is dollar see what is the main price. Main price is this one minus dollar final price. Okay, then comes the discount. Okay, so this one is the discount. Okay, so here as well we are going to do in the same way. This one fine into category discount this time, and here also we are going to mention this one for the discount price. Okay, and here there is no discount. Here we can mention dollar discount equal to 0. So we are going to return here the array of 3 things. We are going to return array. So first one is the product price, that is the you can say the MRP of the product, and that is coming here, this one, the MRP of the product. And the second one is the final price, that is the sale price. We can say the sale price of the product. Okay, so final price we are fetching this one in all cases. And the last one is the discount. Okay, discount also we are fetching here in all cases, dollar discount, like this. Okay, so watch this video again and again. If you are having some issue, you can also contact me. Okay, so this is the procedure. I hope it is clear. See, we are sending here product ID as well as size. Here we are getting the product attribute price. We are not getting the product main price. We are getting the product attribute size both from product ID and as well as size. And then we calculate the product price. We fetch the product price and product discount, and then we will fetch the category discount. Both we have fetched product discount as well as product and category discount. This one is not required. We can remove this one. Product price is not required. Only that one we require from the products attribute. Okay, that we have got from the product attribute. Okay, here it is not required. So now after that, if the product discount is greater than 0, then we calculate the final price like this one. Okay, and we calculate the discount as well. Final price and discount means the that the discounted price, like after discount, we can call it as sale price and discount. And for the category discount, if category discount is greater than 0, then sale price and discount. And if there is no product price, no product discount, no category discount, then final price is the price itself. Whatever is the main price, that is the final price itself, and discount is 0. And that we have returned. All 3 we have returned. Okay, so here we will get all 3 with the product ID as well as size. Okay, so let's do it. Here we can same way, like this one function, and product. Here the first one is that product ID, and this size, that is dollar data size. Okay, this one is not required. Fine, this one we can comment. Here we will get both, and that we can return to the Ajax. So we can check once that what it is coming. It will alert here because we have already alerted. Okay, let's check its response so that we can display accordingly. So here we are going to check alert like medium. See, object is coming because here we can check final price, product price, but object is coming because we need to do, it is coming in array. So we need to do like this. Okay, only then it will get displayed. So here we can check the final price. we are getting the three things here: final price, discount, and as well as the product price. Okay, so here we are going to do small 1100. Okay, fine. Medium, large 1300, and medium is 1200. Okay, so all prices are fine. We are getting here in Ajax response, so that we can display here, we can change this one. Okay, so now see, now there are two things. If in case the discount comes, then we have the different scenario. Here we can check where we are displaying here. Okay, like if the discount is there, then we are going to do it like this, and if there is no discount, then we are going to do it like this. So we need to add this HTML there in our JS. Okay, only then we can able to do it. So first of all, we are going to add one class here as well. So for the response that we will use, for the response we are going to use the getAttrPrice. Okay, and it will end here. After that, we need to embed this code there. So for that, we will do in the same way. First of all, we will check that whether the product is having some discount or not. We will check in response, in the Ajax response, that the product is having some discount. If the product is having some discount, then we are going to do different HTML. So I'm going to comment this one, and here I'm going to, here we'll do it if the response is coming discount, we are also sending in Ajax. Okay, three things we are sending, as I have told you. Final first is the main price, that is the MRP of the product price, and discount, and then the final price of the products after discount. Okay, so if the discount is greater than 0, then there will be one HTML, and in else there will be another HTML. Okay, so first HTML is this one, and next HTML, else HTML, this one. Okay, so if discount is greater than 0, then first of all, we are going to add here on the getAttrPrice here, we are going to take this one, getAttrPrice. Okay, we are going to do like this, and we are going to replace its HTML with this HTML, and here we are going to write like this. Okay, I'm going to copy this here as well. Now here in HTML, first one is this one. See, we are working on this one. So first we are going to work on this one. This one is easy, very easy. Okay, so here we are going to copy this complete here, and I can paste it here in else condition. Okay, simply can do like this, and don't give any spaces here, remove these spaces. Okay, like this. Okay, so here class price will not come like this, it will come in single quotes, and here we are going to use the plus sign. Okay, rupees, after rupees, then we are going to use the plus sign like this one, and here we are going to use it like this. Okay, sorry, this one close, and then plus, then here as well in the end we are going to plus, and then start quotes like this. Now it is fine. Okay, so we can check it, we can see whether it will replace these prices. I'm going to close this one, and we're going to check here, like if I'm going to select the medium size, it is not updating. Okay, so it is not updating. I'm thinking it must update, but it has not updated, and also not shown any errors, but here we need to check once that what is the issue actually. And here everything is saved. Let's check. Okay, it is working fine. I'm going to refresh it once again, and save the code once again. Okay, so let me see. I'm going to check here large, still it is not coming. Here it is coming fine, final price, product price, but it is not showing there. So I'm going to check there. Okay, in custom I'm going to check whether the response is coming here or not. Okay, so first of all I'm going to check the response discount. Okay, what is coming in response discount? It must be 0 or something else. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to click on small, so it is 0, so it is fine, it is coming as 0, so it means that it must come here. We are going to test it as well. Echo test, sorry, not echo will not work. Alert test. Okay, so we are going to check whether the control is coming here or not. Let's see, refresh it. See, you can see anyone can face issue. I am also facing issue here. Medium, so medium 0 test, so it is coming fine here. Okay, so why it is not replacing? We need to check now. Get attribute price, copy this one and paste it there once again, and get attribute price, then it must be replaced with this one. So it must work fine. So let's check it. Get attribute price, get attribute price .html. So complete line is fine here. Product details, product price. Okay, so I think maybe we need to show here product price or final price. Okay, so we can give here the final price here. Let's see, final price of the product, that must come here. So let's see, large, no, still it is not coming here. Okay, so we can check here, we can debug it here. We can now alert this price here. Okay, whatever price, we are going to alert this price here as well. Okay, so here it is wrong response. Okay, so that is the issue here. We are mentioning here wrong response must come instead of that. Now we must have the correct result. So we are going to check the large first of all, and here you can see the prices are updating. Okay, large instantly via Ajax, so we can see the 1200 price for medium and for small 1100 price. Okay, so the prices are updated instantly in real time via Ajax. You can see without refreshing the page we can update the price of any of the sites. Okay, so now if the product is having some discount, then we need to work on the another one. Okay, so first of all I'm going to copy this one like this, and before that you can see this one is having class price, and original price. Just check this discounter price, this one is the fine, and the next one we need to do. For the next one I'm going to copy this one once again and we'll paste it, and here you can see the original price must come there. Original price, we will mention here the original price, and after that we need to mention this one as well, original price, like this. Okay, so after that span. Okay, after that span. Okay, so after that span here. Okay, so for that I'm going to use here span, then the final price. Okay, so let's see here, we are going to use in place of h4 here span. Okay, and here we are going to use here the product price. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so this product is not having any discount. We are going to open the product that is having discount. This one 5400 and 6000. Okay, so 5400 is the product price after discount. Actually its MRP is 6000. Okay, sale price is 5400, 600 rupees discount. So I'm going to select here small size. Small is having the discount. Okay, so see here, so small is always must be equal to that one. So that is we are going to correct this one. See, I'm going to make its price as the attribute price only. So that is the original price is 2000. So I'm going to make the product price that we have increased due to filters. If you remember, we have increased the price is due to filter. Now submit, and now see, it must match 1800 2000, and for small it is it will also match, but we are going to check for the another one. So I'm going to add one more side to it, to this one. So for that I'm going to make it medium. Okay, so medium, and here I'm going to mention bs01m. Okay, so here I'm going to mention 3010. Now we are going to submit this one, and now see the price must increase. And let's see now, if I will select the medium, and then see here 2700 rupees as the final price, as the sale price, and original price is 3000. Okay, if the customer select the small, see it is 1800 and the original price is 2000, it is getting 200 discount. And if the customer select the medium, then he is getting the 300 discount. You can see it is working fine. Okay, so we can also give space. If we want to give some space, we can also give the space here, like this. Okay, so now I hope that it is clear to you. It is working fine here. Space must be after original price here, like this. Okay, yeah, now it must work fine. Okay, so you can see it is working fine both for discounter price and for the products that does not have any discount as well. So we able to do this prices, size wise prices via Ajax. Okay, in the next video we are going to work on the specification. We are going to show the product filters values. Okay, all the values will come up here as well, and after that we are going to work on the add to cart functionality. Also share, we will do it later on. Okay, so these things we are going to do, and also product zoom, some other product zoom we are going to integrate for our detail page. Okay, so these things we are going to do in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. And do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet, then do subscribe the channel, youtube.com/stack developers. Then please do subscribe stack developers. Okay, so this is the channel. Then I hope that you will subscribe, or you can join also if you want to get the code. Otherwise you can subscribe from here. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.